And this is Muaz. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we're going to be unboxing this off-road safari car. So this is Muaz's car. So this is what the box, this is how the car looks like from the box. So this is how the box is. Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, this opened up like this.
Oh, get rid of it. That's
And so now let's cut these out. So this is how the car is. Looks like.
Hi.
It has springs on the side. Okay. We put in the batteries in the car. So it needs five AA batteries. Okay. So we're gonna open the remote and the car. Okay. Now Muaz, you can drive. Okay. See? Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. So it has lights on the back and lights on the front. Up there. So it, oh no, let me bring it. Let me get it. Here. So this car has springs on its wheels, so that's why it's made for off-road. So and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and please like this video. Bye.